Hi, today I'm for the Galaxy M14 and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So just to do that, we should open the notification panel shortcuts and find scan QR code icon somewhere. Just tap once on this icon. Now we should place the QR code into this frame, so let's do this. Just wait a second. Right now we can show options, so we can use full text to search it in the web or just to copy this link to share, for example, with someone. We can go directly, for example, to the browser and we can see that this is the Wikipedia article. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.